Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you my profits for today on my paper trading account. So the profits on today is $104.10. Again, this is my paper trading account, and yeah, let's get into it. So pretty much this morning when I woke up, I pretty much woke up late, right? So I missed out on this this huge uptrending right here. But anyway, so I waited until there was a perfect opportunity for me to get in, get out, and I also set my my profits for today as $100. As you guys can see, I actually hit it. Got in my first trade. I only took 3 day trades, so buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You can also see here from my monitor, you can see buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And again, it's no different from my live account. I also do the same thing. Always remember to wait for a perfect opportunity before you get in. Wait for the reversal for it to, you know, bounce off of this EMA line right here. As you guys can see, it's making like lower highs. So I waited until it goes past this EMA line, only until it goes over this EMA line, then you can get in. You don't get in before because we aren't sure if it's just gonna go all the way down again. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this quick video that I have indeed been practicing and also doing my live account. So you guys can see here my overall profit and loss, and this is my paper trading account. So how are you guys doing so far in the market? Are you guys bringing in those profits, or what have you been up to these days? Let me know in the comment section down below. Again, this is something that I want to do on a daily basis, and this is something that I actually do on a daily basis. So I'll just keep it coming. Hope you guys like this. Hope you guys just smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, all that good stuff, the notification bell, all that. Man, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.